Can you widen a doorway in a load-bearing wall? Imagine opening up your home to make it more accessible and spacious. Widening a doorway can do just that, but it's not as simple as knocking down a wall. If the wall supports the weight of your floors or roof, it's called a load-bearing wall. These walls are essential for your home's structure. Removing part of one without proper planning can cause serious issues. To widen a doorway in a load-bearing wall, you need to understand the basics. The wall supports the weight of the building, so any change needs to be carefully managed. Usually, a new support beam or lintel is needed to take over the load. This beam must be strong enough to hold the weight above it. Before starting, it's vital to consult with a structural engineer. They will evaluate the wall and determine if a support beam is necessary. They will also help design the right size of the beam, often called a rolled steel joist or RSJ. The size depends on the width of the new opening and the weight it needs to carry. For example, a wider opening might need a beam that is at least 12 inches deep and made of steel. The engineer will also check if any utilities like electrical wiring or plumbing are inside the wall. These must be moved or protected before work begins. You will need to get the proper permits from your local building department before starting. This ensures your project follows safety rules and building codes. Once approved, the work can begin. The area around the doorway should be cleared and protected to prevent damage. During the process, the wall is carefully cut and the support beam is installed. The entire process can take from a few days to a week, depending on the size of the opening and the complexity. Widening a doorway in a load-bearing wall can make your home more accessible and safer. It allows easier passage for wheelchairs or walkers, which is especially helpful for seniors. When done correctly, it also maintains the strength and safety of your house. Remember, always work with licensed professionals for this type of project. They will ensure the work is done safely and correctly, giving you peace of mind. So yes, you can widen a doorway in a load-bearing wall, but it needs careful planning, proper support, and professional help to do it right.